Hi, welcome to this video where I'm going to be going through a little bit about Seqta Learn. So as a student, you've got lots of excellent tools here in Seqta. So I want to go through some of these. When you come to Seqta, to start with, you get this welcome page here. Now this has a lot of really important links. These are the links that we thought were the most important things that you were going to go to the most often. So yes, we have the notices in there at the moment. You can also get notices directly from here on the side of the page in the spine. Your email from here, Office 365 links, a link to your OneDrive, that's your online storage, calendar, library, the college website, outdoor learning site. We can add a few more in here, but that's basically your welcome page with some important links in there. Of course, you know your way around here where you've got assessments, both upcoming assessments and the assessments that have already been graded and marked. Here you'll see the courses for different timetable periods that you would have been there in. So you can find all of the details for all of your courses in here. So clicking on any one of these takes you to the cover page and all of the information that you will need in that cover page. The dashboard is kind of the command central space here. And there's a lot of really good information that comes here on the dashboard. If your teacher has entered any homework, it will appear there. At the moment, there's no homework to appear because it's right at the start of the year. But this homework here, you can just click on a button and it will automatically go into your task list here. So you can create your own task. If you just click on this button here, so one task might be to read chapter 1 in your maths textbook. Okay, so you also got different headings. You can make it bigger or smaller or bold and all that sort of thing. You can actually insert some things as well, like a link if you need to. If I just click on the plus, you can see now I've got that as a list. So you can use this task list here as you would in a normal diary where you've got a list of things that you need to do. Once you have done something, you can check it off, which always feels really, really good. You can either show the things that you've done or just hide the things that you've done, and you can only see those things that are coming up that you need to do. Other things you can see on the dashboard is your timetable, which appears here. Any unresolved absences that haven't been resolved yet will appear here. Any pastoral care notes that have been added, any commendations or anything like that will appear here, and the number of pastoral care notes, any notifications and messages of the day. Now up the top here, you've got the options of what you want to see here on your dashboard. So if you really don't like that message of the day, you can just deselect it and then it won't appear there. You can select notes here if you want to as well. So again, this one here is more of a text-based note. Text-based. So I can type that note in, and this isn't it's very similar to the task list, except it's not a tick off kind of thing. So you can make yourself a little note. So you've got some control there about what it is that you see here on the dashboard. All of the important school documents will appear here. We've only got a couple here now, but there will be lots more there. Forums, any forums that you're involved in. Goals, so in this section here you can set goals for the year. So here's a goal here about achieving 90% in maths, you support people, the action you're going to do, any extra notes. So you can just hit plus and you can just put in your own notes and goals that you're going to be able to set, which is great. Just click save at the top and that will save all of your goals in there. And you can see your goals from previous years. Info and services just have a whole lot of information or links to other pages that are helpful. The notices is probably one of the most important pages that you'll land on every day. You'll see your reports. You can also see some settings there about what kind of things that you can see here on Seqta, menu backgrounds, and also themes and that sort of thing there. So there's a number of different things that you can look at when you're in Seqta, particularly the information in the dashboard, which is really helpful.